Welcome back to our kitchen icon tutorial series using Adobe Illustrator. In our first video, we created this small little measuring cup. In this episode, we're going to take that measuring cup and create a coffee pot out of it using some quick and easy tips and tricks. So over here in our project, if we go to Window, go up to and click on Artboards, that adds in, or that brings up your Artboards panel. This is the way we can go in here and create multiple artboards, so that way we can have different icons for each artboard. So let's go ahead and on the first one, let's name it Measuring Cup. And then click on the plus. And this one we're going to double click and type in coffee pot. Down here at the very bottom, you can skip between all of your artboards. So we want to go over here to the first one. We want to click and drag around our measuring cup. We're going to do Control C, or you can do Edit Copy. Go over to your new artboard, our second artboard, and then do Control V, or go to Edit Paste. Next, let's go ahead and go back to View and Show Grid. Take our selection tool, we're going to click on our corner and drag it down and place it in the corner of one of our big squares. There's a few changes that we need to make. First, we're going to click on the direct selection tool. We're going to click on the handle. We're going to drag the handle down one unit. Next, we're going to delete all of these little lines here. I'm going to move this out of the way just to make things easier. There we go. Let's bring this back, and I'm going to click on the selection tool, and I'm going to raise this up 1 unit so that it is 4 units long or high. Then go over here to the fill, and we're going to click on one of these browns. Next, with your direct selection tool, click on your corner there, go over here to stroke, and you're going to click on this round joint. That's going to round off all of our top corners. Next, take your line tool. From this point, we're going to draw a line over to the right. Click on the word stroke and click on round cap. Finally, we're going to click on the ellipse tool, which is again behind your rectangle tool. Go ahead and click somewheres up here at the very top. We want to create a width and a height of 20 millimeters. Click OK. Select the direct selection tool. Click on the bottom anchor. Hit delete. Click on the selection tool, make sure that it is selected, and then hit the down arrow on your keyboard until it is in this position. If you need to use the right or left arrow key in order to get it centered, then you can do so. Finally, you can either click on the out beside it or go to select and deselect. Let's go to and click on drag a box around all of it. Go to Object, Group. Next, let's go over here to our measuring cup and do the same thing. We'll go to Object, Group, and View, Hide Grid. And now we have our measuring cup and our coffee pot. At this point, make sure you go to File, Save. And this concludes our coffee pot. In our upcoming tutorial, or rather in our next tutorial series, we're going to take a look and create a spatula and a spoon for our kitchen icon series. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.